Jasmine, and welcome to ImJustTechnical, where I teach you all things beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a subcount command for your Twitch channel using stream elements. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep watching. So the first thing you want to do is go to streamelements.com, and once you go there, you want to make sure that you log in with your Twitch account, and you want to go to your dashboard. As you can see, I'm already there. You're going to come over here to the side and go to chatbot, and then you're going to click on chat commands. Once you're here, you want to come up here and click on custom commands, and then you want to click on add new command. So click on add new command, and it's going to take you here. First, you want to give your command a name. Me personally, I like using !subcount. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do subcount because I already have one that's named subcount. For user level, I'm going to leave this on everyone, so everyone is eligible to type it in the Twitch chat while you're live, whether it be your moderators or just your regular viewers. And for the response, you can, for most of it, you can type what you want. You can edit this message how you want to, but you do want to have one specific part the same. For me personally, I'm just going to type in ImJustJazzmine, which is my Twitch channel. Check me out. I'm going to type in ImJustJazzmine, if I can type. Good Lord. Currently has, this is the part that you want to keep the same. So you're going to type $. I never know what to call these. It's not the regular bracket. We're gonna call it a squiggly bracket. So $, squiggly bracket, channel.subs, and then close squiggly bracket. And then I'm just gonna type subscribers. All of this, everything with the exception of what I have highlighted, you can edit it and just make the message your own and add your own style to it, but you want to make sure that you have this one part the same no matter what your message says. I'll also make sure to have that down in the description box below just in case. So once you have the message that you like and you have it edited how you like, you can go ahead and click activate command. And now you can see subcount is a new command. You want to make sure that this is highlighted. You want to make sure that this white dot is over to the right, because that means it's enabled. If it's over to the left like this, then that means that it's disabled, and you don't want that. So we're just going to have it on for the sake of this tutorial. Once you do that, you want to go over to your Twitch channel. So I'll see you over there. So now we're over on my Twitch channel. I just went to my, if you're curious on how to do this, just click on your icon, click channel. Oop, my channel trailer is playing. And then you want to make sure that you go and click on chat. And now we're just going to go here. And beforehand, you want to make sure that Stream Elements is a mod for your channel. It's already a mod for mine, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So to mod Stream Elements is really easy. All you want to do is hit /mod, and then you type in the name of the person that you want to mod, which for this is Stream Elements. Hit enter. As you can see, Stream Elements is already a moderator for me, but if it's not a moderator for you, then it's going to tell you that Stream Elements is now a moderator for your channel. So now that you've done that, then you want to go ahead and type in your command. So I named mine subcount, hit enter. And as you can see, ImJustJazzmine currently has 1 subscriber. So our command works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials like this. If you have any other tutorials that you would like to see me do on this channel that are related to YouTube or Twitch, leave a comment down below and I'll check that out and see if I can help you guys out with that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.